Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno15 Pro and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now we have to enter the settings. Then let's go to languages and here tap on Add Keyboard. So now we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So scroll and find the language which you'd like to apply and tap on it. Let me go back because I wanted to show you, for example, here, because we are able to choose the keyboard layout and depending on the specific language, you can have different numbers of keyboard layouts. In the previous one, we had only one, and here we've got three, and we can have up to 7 or 10 different layouts. So just mark the layout which you'd like to use and then tap on Done. As you can see, it has been immediately applied. Before I'll show you how to remove the previous language, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. After getting back to the keyboard, you've got this this information, this tip. All you have to do is to tap on this language key, globe icon, thanks to which we can change the keyboard layout, and this is what we have to do to change it. Moreover, the spacebar, it's not empty. Right now you've got the name of the language you're currently using. So to remove the language from the list, simply enter the settings again, tap on the languages and tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Mark the languages and tap on the trash bin icon, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.